Hello everybody and welcome to Fathom Soaps. This is the first of a Introducing to Soaping series that I am creating. For this, it's a very basic soap, so all you're going to need is a melt and pour soap base and whatever additive or color you want to put in there. So I'm going to keep it simple and just do one color, one scent, and a little bit of glitter to make it pretty. With your melt and pour soap base, you're going to want to cut it into smaller chunks and place those chunks into a microwave safe bowl. Be sure to be very careful when you're cutting because the soap is going to be hard to cut and it's also pretty slippery. If you don't want to use a knife, you can use a pastry cutter, and I found my pastry cutter just at the dollar store, so they are available. I'm going to take it and microwave it at 30-second increments. This amount took about a minute and a half, but it's best to do it in short increments so that it doesn't start to boil because that will ruin your soap base. Once it is out of the microwave, start adding your color to it. For this one, I used a powder red that I got from Candora Soaps, which is an online company that I absolutely love. And next I put in the glitter. It really doesn't matter what order you put everything in, as long as you work pretty quickly because the soap will start to harden if you take too long. For your scent, you can use probably about 3 to 4 drops, and that should be enough for this amount. So you're going to do a pretty good job of mixing everything together, get out any chunks that are left and any little deposits of color. When you're starting out, it might be easier to use a liquid color because it's just going to mix in a little bit easier for you. So we're just going to go ahead and fill our trays with the mixture and let it set for probably about 2 hours. You can put it in the fridge, but it will leave you with a little bit of a weird back on it because it hardens so fast. To avoid this, you could spray it with some alcohol or just let it dry naturally. And look how beautiful it turned out. As you can see, since we used a translucent base, it is a little opaque and it came out this lovely kind of corally cherry red color. So beautiful. I love soaps. Let me know if this tutorial was helpful, and if you make some soap of your home, be sure to show me. You can tag me in the pictures at Fathom Beauty on Instagram or comment below. Thank you so much for joining. See you next time. Bye!